वो जलेबी का सर मैदा है भिगा हुआ, जलेबी बनता है ना।
वो अभी तुम कुछ भी मत करो, अभी बंद करेगा ऑक्सीजन आपको क्या रहेगा।
सर आज खंय रेट मारला तुम्ही आयचं?
आयच्या दिसांनी टुडेज इन्स्पेक्शन ड्रायव्ह फाटल्या कांय दिसांनी जेन्ना आमी बेकरीज आनी रिटेल आउटलेट्स वेन वी वर इन्स्पेक्टिंग वी हॅड ऑब्जर्व दॅट सर्टन थिंग्स वर बींग सप्लायड लायक ढोकला, samosas were being supplied by various vendors, and we were working on finding out where this was made. So today, as and when how we got the information, we found these units in Mapsa in Karaswada area, and few of these 2 units were operating without our consent and were not having proper hygiene norms, so we have asked them to stop. One unit we have also fined 20,000 under section 69 for not following the norms. Besides that, we were doing some verification inspections of the earlier raids, and here we came across a doubtful product paneer, and then we established who was the supplier. So after we found out the supplier had a unit in Karaswada and Dargal, and to our surprise, the license that he had produced was a counterfeit license which he had obtained from one consultant. So we have also issued a stop notice to this person, and we have asked this vendor to file a FIR on this consultant. So हे आयची आमचे जी आमी केला ताजो एक समरी आसता. टोटल फायन 30,000 आयज आमी घातलेलो आसा ऑन इन्क्लुडींग द 20,000 and then 5,000 on 2 other vendors for non-compliance.
खंय आनीक गेला सर तुम्ही?
आयज टोटली आमी जी वी स्टार्टेड इन द म्हापसा area, then we moved to Anjuna, and then from Anjuna when we found that the link of this paneer, we had to come back to Karaswada and then go to Dargal. So these are the areas that we have touched upon.
बंद केला सर आनी कितें तुम्ही?
बंद हेच केल्या सद्याक ते 2 होलसेल युनिट्स जे आसा ते बंद केल्या आनी 2 बेकरीज ह्यो स्वीट मॅन्युफॅक्चरर्स हांकां 3 टोटल हांकां बंद केल्ले आसा. ओके, आनी एक रेस्टॉरंट जो पार्रा होय फाटीं हे केल्लो आमी इन्स्पेक्ट केल्लो 15 दीस पयलीं, पूण आयज जेन्ना आमी व्हेरिफिकेशनाक गेल्ले ताजे कंप्लायन्स अप टू डेट नासलेल्या कारणान ताका आमी बंद दवरून काम करूंक लायलें.
टोटल कितले बंद केला सर तुम्ही?
टोटल 3 + 2 सो 5
5 बंद केला आज टोटल.